Interview. And in fact, I'm interviewing each of you right now. And I have a sense of who you are and what you're about. And in the back of my mind, I said, that person would make a good faculty person. That person would make a good chair. That person is a potential dean. That person is one day going to be a president. Because you're always interviewing and you're always being interviewed along the way. Some of you will get calls from me. And I'll say, you know, I met you at this conference, you were at this program, and I talked to you, and I know you have an interest in this area. And so that's how you're building, your network. Participating in college teaching and training programs. At your institution, I know there are a number of programs that are there for you to assist you, to help you become better in whatever it is that you're doing. It happens all the time. We have teaching centers. Why do we have these teaching centers? To assist you, to help you think more about teaching, to shape. How do you write a syllabus? How do you write goals and objectives? Learning outcomes, teaching outcomes. These kinds of things are extremely important, and you have to take advantage of them. Don't make assumptions that you're there, because you're never there. It's always a process. It's always getting better. Every year I taught, 22 straight years, every year I thought about how to get better. What can I do to improve? I want to be better this year than I was last year. Every single year. Because you're never there. You're always in process. You're always improving. You're always growing. So participate in these college teaching and training programs in order to get better. Always have professional conversations with experts in the field, whatever that means to you. You know, who is the person that you, in terms of your research, that has most impacted how you think about research? Who are the people in the research field that you feel are in the know about the area that you are writing about or researching about? Don't just write about those individuals. Talk to them personally.